Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to add an external bank to Wells Fargo Online. This basically makes it easier to transfer between banks super easily. So obviously, before anything, just go ahead and head over to the Wells Fargo website and then find your way over to the username and password and go ahead and sign into your online banking. Once you're done filling this out, go ahead and hit sign on. And then this is going to lead you to the Wells Fargo page, which is where you can see as many Wells Fargo accounts as you have set up. But obviously for this, we're going to want to add an external bank. So what you're going to want to press is transfer and pay. And you'll understand why, even if you're not sending money right now. There are two options here. Either you pay WF accounts or you send with Express Send. What this basically means is, do you want them to send money in-house or out of house using an external service that they partnered up with? So I usually always recommend the WF accounts one. So here we're just going to let this load, but I already have a loaded version up here. So we're going to be using this. And here is where the sauce happens. We're going to go over to where it says non-Wells Fargo accounts and hit add account. This is where you put in your non-Wells Fargo account number and routing number, so you can basically send money over to that bank account or vice versa. And so from here, you're going to select your own bank account here, and then you're going to select a non-Wells Fargo bank account here after you set it up. Set up the frequency you want, which is if you want it to be repeated, then put in the amount and then send money however much you want. But that's how you add an external bank account on Wells Fargo. If this helped, consider subscribing.